My name is Hitesh Ani Shrungare, class BSc third year, fifth sem. My environment subject is radioactive management of waste. Then radioactive waste management to protect the people and environment. Types: very low level waste VLLW, low level waste LLW, intermediate level waste ILW, high level waste HLW. Then very low level waste VLLW consists mainly of demolished materials such as concrete, plaster, bricks, metal valves, piping produced during dismantling operations on nuclear industry sites. Naturally occurring radioactive materials NORMs not harmful to human or environment. Recycling or using as a by-products. Low level waste storage pit at the Nevada National Security Site. Then low level waste LLW electricity generation, diagnostics and treatment of disease, medical research, testings of a new pharmaceuticals, non construction testings of airplanes and bridge, smokes detectors, hardening of a material is like hardwork flooding, breeding of a new varieties of a seeds with higher crops yield, eradication of insect birds, food preservations. Then low level waste LLW, short lived radioactivity suitable for shallow land burial. Then another is intermediate level waste ILW, consists higher amount of radioactivity and some required shielding, resins, chemical sludge, metal fluid cladding. Then intermediate level waste ILW, some low level liquids waste from a reprocessing plants are discharged to the sea, include radioactive techniques 99%. Then another is high level waste HLW, arises from a burning of uranium fuel in the nuclear reactor produced during the reprocessing of a fuel, reprocessing of used fuel. Then ponds 7 to 12 meters deep. The multiple racks are made of metal with neutrons absorbed incorporated in it. The circulating water both shield and cools the fuel, made of thick reinforced concrete with steel liners. Use nuclear fuel. Most use fuel from nuclear power plants is stored in steel lined concrete pools filled with water or airtight steel or concrete and steel containers. Then such a type of storage pond of used fuel at the thermal oxides reprocessing plant at the UK Sellafield site. Now we can see UK Sellafield site of storage of thermal oxide reprocessing plant. Then relative waste volume: 7% of intermediate level waste, 3% of high level waste, and 90% of low level waste. Now we can see green color indicates that low level waste, and blue color indicates that intermediate level waste, and orange color indicates that high level waste. This all presents in above pie diagram. Relative waste volume. Then relative waste volume is related to low level waste, intermediate level waste, and high level waste. And deep geological disposal. A key idea was that long-term disposal would be best carried out by identifying suitable sites at which the waste could be burial. A process called deep geological disposal. It must be located at least 200 meters below the ground surface to avoid the effects of erosion and re- human residential area. Now we see the Kundakulam nuclear power point. The photos of Kundanakulam nuclear power plant are shown in above. Then another is conclusion. That is all creation of radioactive waste. Disposal of radioactive waste is a complex issue, not only because of the nature of the waste but also because of the strength regulatory structure for dealing with radioactive waste. India has achieved self reliance in management of all types of radioactive waste, and ongoing efforts of upgrade technology minimize radioactive discharge is also on. Then recycling, direct disposal after storage of geological. It takes 3 lakhs years aqueous reprocessing to remove only uranium and platinum. It takes 9,000 years advanced electrometallurgically reprocessing which removes uranium, plutonium and minor actinides together. Recycling in fact reactor it's only 300 years, not commercially available. Generations are given here: radioactive waste of waste, consent radioactive material, various operation, fuel recycles, meaning nuclear power generation, various processing in industry, defense, medicines. Thank you all of you for listening my seminar.